Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. It's another edition of our moto-travel series. You may be wondering, why are we loading up the bikes when the street is full of snow? Yes, it's January here in the middle of winter, but that's never stopped us from riding. We are loading up our bikes to head down south for some sunny weather riding. Look at this. What do we have here? What goodies do we have here? Two BMWs.
Two BMWs and an Aprilia.
We got an R bike, Aprilia. Wow, this is the envy of a lot of people, I think.
This is the envy of a lot of people, I'm sure.
Make sure you tune back in for the next few weeks as we break down another California riding adventure into a few episodes. Now, let's get on with the adventures. Hey, welcome back to another edition of our Moto Travel series. This time we are heading down to Southern California for some sunny riding. In the next few episodes, I'll be giving you detailed maps and ride reviews of all the roads that we did in the 4 days of riding from Sacramento to Los Angeles. We'll give you our review of all the important aspects of any motorcycle ride, the scenery, the road conditions, the twisties, and of course the traffic. So here's a short montage to give you a preview of our entire adventure. We'll dive into each days of riding on separate upcoming episodes. I'm on this road trip with my friends Jorg and Luke, who you may remember from my California riding vlog. Like last time, we put our 3 motorcycles into Jorg's Sprinter van and went as far south as it takes to get some double-digit temperatures. Now, last time we did it in the late season, fall, October. This time, it's the mid of January and is a little bit more different. What else do we have? We got everything. Money. Now all we need is some good weather.
Money is what we don't have. None of us.
Okay.
It'll work.
Don't worry. We got that covered. Okay, so I really didn't make any plans because I'm just gonna check what the weather brings, and we build our own adventure.
Yeah.
We choose our own adventure this time.
That's right.
So what we've been doing is monitoring the weather forecast as we drive south. Sacramento seemed to be the first city that was warm enough and dry enough to start our riding. From a website community called Bunk-a-biker, we found a very friendly fellow biker named Scott who allowed us to park our Sprinter van at his home. And from there, we continue south on with our motorcycles.
880, 888, next house. On the right hand side behind this pickup. Perfect.
Let's park behind this guy. So we're at Scott's house. He's a local biker that was kind enough to let us park our van in front of his house for a few days as we unload the bikes and then ride south.
It's been
This is our
miserable
last hope.
for weeks.
This is our last
Well,
hope.
I think if you get below about Coalinga,
Belinda, okay.
you got to go there. You got to go on these roads, man.
He showed me some really good roads.
I'm showing you
I'm
roads.
so tempted.
Tonight in the hotel, we'll. Yeah.
We really appreciate having met Scott because not only did he let us park in his place, he also gave us some really nice road suggestions that we would not have found ourselves. Here's the map of the 4 days of riding that we did. We managed to find quiet, nice, twisty roads all the way down to LA and pretty much avoided the super slab highways. So on day 1, we went from Sacramento to Patterson. It was a bit of a shorter day because by the time we left Scott's house, it was almost noon. Then day 2, we went from Patterson through to Coalinga where we took a lunch break, and then we ended up for the evening at Santa Maria. And this stretch here, Highway 25, that Scott told us about, was just awesome. Make sure you tune back in for episode 3 to catch the detailed review of that road. Then day 3 was from Santa Maria through to Ojai for lunch, and we ended up in Santa Monica. So for day 4 of riding, it was meant to be from Santa Monica riding the Angeles National Forest, which was amazing. And we wanted to end up over in San Bernardino. But unfortunately, it didn't happen that way. We had to double back and end up at Pasadena for the night. If you're curious what happened, make sure you tune in to episode 5 as we cover the adventures that we took for that day. Hey, I hope you liked that video, and I hope you'll tune back in for the next few episodes where we'll break down each riding day, including the detailed maps, and give you a detailed review, moto-travel style, rating the traffic, sceneries, twisties, and all the good stuff that we usually share with you. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button so that we can bring more of these moto travel series to you. Until next time.